Gotta learn it all! Beedrill! Beedrill is extremely territorial. No one should ever approach its nest. This is for their own safety. If angered, they will attack in a furious swarm. Foul play or natural gift. This is exactly how bees behave when provoked. Natural gift. The reason bees are so protective of their nest is because that's where their most precious possession, the queen bee, is located. The queen bee is the only bee capable of producing new bees. So if she dies, the legacy of that generation will end. A bee's nest is like an entire village that contains the queen's palace, the working class, their young, their food stores, a community center, a full dance floor, and their fortress. It's a good thing they attack all at once in swarms because it increases the chance of chasing away potential threats. A swarm can range from a few thousand worker bees to over 50,000. It has 3 poison barbs. The barb on its tail secretes the most powerful poison. Foul play or natural gift. Beedrill could have been a bug and fire type given how the Japanese honeybee, on which Beedrill may be based, responds to threats. It is far more fascinating than simply jabbing the threat with a needle. This is a unique behavior against hornets, honeybees' arch nemesis. Suppose a hornet was scouting the land and a worker bee from the nest spotted it. The bee would respond by shaking its wings in a particular way that signals an emergency. The closer the hornet gets, the more intensely the bee shakes. If the hornet finally breaches the hive, the bees mega evolve by forming a giant ball hundreds of bees strong around the hornet. This ball vibrates so vigorously they cause the hornet to be burned alive by the heat of friction from their muscles. I wish Beedrill would have been designed with this in mind instead of having 3 barbs, because the stingers on its arms is absolutely foul play. If I assume the poison barbs it developed on its legs are a new stage in the evolution of the Hymenoptera order, Beedrill barely becomes a good Pokemon. It's not just insects that live in the wild though.